Alright guys, I am back and I'm going to show you the last thing about these arm joints here. What I've done is I've made sure that the wires are mirrored, so they're coming out from this side and then also coming out from this side, because eventually they will need to be hooked onto the motherboard here, as you can see there. And so one of them is going to be the right arm, one of them is going to be the left arm. And also I want to talk about these bits here. These bits here seem to be okay. They're not faulty, as well as the hand bits seem to be okay on both kits. And how you assemble them, the hands, is there's going to be 2 screws, and you place them in like this, and you push them all the way in as you've seen me doing this one, and then you screw them in. That's all. That's all there is to it. Now, how do you put them onto the actual arm joint? To avoid breaking the motor bits, what you do is you slide that part on first, like so, and then you will sort of press and pull it in until it clicks. And you should be able to sort of bend this part in, and it's always harder to do it on camera, of course, but it is doable. And you know that it's done when you hear the little click. So push it in from that side, and eventually, perhaps I'm using the wrong one for this arm. I think so. Yes, I probably was. But yeah, I went in. Okay. It went in, and then you're done. And the same thing you would have to do with this one as well. I'd always put this part in first, and then bend that other piece into place and snap it over. Anyway, hope this helps you guys assemble your kits. As far as I can tell, this piece is okay, and this piece here is okay. So far, this is the worst bit that's faulty. I will look into other pieces, but that's where we are right now. So see you in the next video.